LuxMed Drying Tumbler, clothes tumbler dryers, quick drying and remove moisture.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed Drying Tumbler is used to efficiently dry clothes and fabrics in commercial settings like laundries, hotels, and textile factories, and also in large-scale residential or institutional laundry. It works by tumbling items in a rotating drum while circulating hot air to evaporate moisture, with various models available for different needs and fabrics. Usage can be automated with features like digital controls, and different heat sources, electric, gas, steam, are available depending on the machine. Common uses: commercial and industrial laundry. This includes laundromats, hotels, hospitals, and garment factories that need to dry large volumes of linens, towels, and uniforms. Textile processing. Used in the textile industry to dry various fabrics and materials after processes like dyeing. Residential laundry. Larger, higher capacity models can also be used for high-volume home laundry needs. How to use. Load the tumbler. Place wet clothes or fabrics in the rotating drum. Models are available in different sizes to handle varying capacities, such as 15, 25, 50, or 100 kg. Select a cycle. Choose a drying cycle based on the fabric type. For example, the low heat or delicate cycle is ideal for loosely woven fabrics, synthetics like spandex, or items with embellishments like beads. Start the machine. Turn on the machine. Many industrial models have a control panel that allows for automatic reverse and digital temperature control. Unload when finished. The machine will stop once the cycle is complete. Some models have a digital temperature control panel for precise settings. Key features. Heat sources. Drying tumblers can be heated using electricity, steam, or gas, providing operational flexibility. Durable construction. Many models feature stainless steel inner baskets and durable, insulated outer bodies for long-lasting use. Fabric care. Special features like gentle tumbling and temperature control help maintain the softness and dimensional stability of fabrics, and can prevent shrinkage. Safety. Built-in safety features often include temperature controls, door locks, and emergency stop buttons. LuxMed Drying Tumbler Design Principles. Drying tumbler design is governed by principles of heat and mass transfer, fluid dynamics, and mechanical action to efficiently remove moisture from a tumbling load of material. Key design principles include: LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.